I'm now going to share with you my secret recipe for fajita spice mix. This is a beautiful spice mix. I've never shared it with anyone. So let's have a quick run through the ingredients. We're going to have some cayenne pepper, some paprika, some Schwartz hot chili powder. If you're in America, it's McCormick. It's the same company. This isn't really very hot, by the way. Some smoked paprika, some salt, some cornflour, a little bit of cumin, some onion powder. Where are you? There you are. Onion powder and some garlic powder. Don't worry, I'm going to put all these ingredients and the quantities in the description box down below. So let's get going then. We're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. What the corn flour does, I'm going to be making chicken fajitas as the next video. What the corn flour does is when you put your cooked chicken into the sizzler, the corn flour will create a lovely kind of thick sauce in the bottom of the sizzler pan. But you'll see that when we come round to doing the recipe. We're going to use 4 teaspoons of Schwartz chili powder. Sounds a lot, but it's not terribly hot. We're not going to use all of this mix. You'll have some left over that you can just store in an airtight container. It lasts for ages. We want 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This will just give a little smoky background to it. None of this is that exact, so don't worry. 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, or standard paprika, whatever you like to call it. Oh, the ingredient I forgot to mention was sugar. 1 second. We want 2 teaspoons of sugar, just ordinary granulated sugar. I tend to use caster sugar because it kind of dissolves a little quicker and so on. We want 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll just do this so you don't want excess salt. It's the salt that will kind of draw some of the moisture out of the chicken. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Just half a teaspoon of garlic powder because it's very strong. So that's all you need. One teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This gives it a nice little spicy kick and a really nice flavour. I love cayenne chilies. And half a teaspoon of cumin. Cumin is just glorious in this. Half a teaspoon of cumin. And that's kind of it. So all we're going to do now is just give it a little mix. Don't worry about the colour. It looks very light in colour. But as you'll see, when we come to put it on the chicken in the next recipe, it just turns a beautiful colour. And that's done. I'll see you on the fajita recipe, hopefully.